Good morning everyone. Today we will solve exercise 11.2 of class 8th from question number 5th. Fifth question is the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. First, we will note all the information from the question as it is given in the question that first diagonal of the rhombus is 7.5 centimeter and second diagonal of the rhombus is 12 centimeter. And as we all know that area of rhombus is 1 upon 2 multiplied by product of its diagonal. So we can write here half multiplied by d1 multiplied by d2, where d1 and d2 stands for diagonal first and diagonal second. Now substitute all the values from the question. So we have half multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by 12. After solving this, we have 45 centimeter square and it is the area of the rhombus. Sixth question is find the area of rhombus whose size is 5 centimeter and altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. We can also find out area of rhombus with the help of formula base multiplied by altitude. So after substituting values in this formula, we have 24 centimeter square and it is the area of rhombus. And we all know that area of rhombus is half multiplied by d1 multiplied by d2. And it is given in the question that one of the diagonal of the rhombus is 8 centimeter. So after substituting value, we can easily calculate value of diagonal second. So it is 6 centimeter. Now move to the next question. Next question is the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. First we will note all the information from the question and it is given in the question that diagonal first is 45 centimeter and diagonal second is of 30 centimeter. From here we can easily calculate area of one tile. So area of one rhombus shaped tile is 675 centimeter square. From here we can calculate area of 3000 tile. For this we have to multiply 675 by 3000. So after multiplying this we have 202.50 meter square. To find out cost of polishing, we have to multiply area of tile by its cost. So our answer is 810. Next question is question number 8. Eighth question is Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides are 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. It is given in the question that perpendicular distance between the parallel sides are 100 meter and area of the trapezium field is 10,500 meters square. Let me assume that side along the road be x and side along the river be 2x. Now area of trapezium is half multiplied by height multiplied by sum of its parallel side. So we can substitute all the values from the question and after calculation we have value of x and it is 70 meter. But it is asked in the question that what is the side along the river. For this we have to multiply x by 2. So we have 140 meter. Next question is question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. First of all, we split this diagram into 3 parts. First, trapezium shaped. Second one is rectangular region and third one is again a trapezium shaped. So for solving this question, first we have to find out value of this trapezium shaped region and rectangular shaped region, and after that again this trapezium shaped region. After adding all the three region, we have area of this octagonal field. So you can do this question by yourself. Now move to the next question. Next question is, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divide it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? It is clear from the diagram that Jyoti divides this figure into two trapezium shaped figure. So first we find out area of trapezium and then we multiply it by 2. So after multiplication, area of the pentagon is 37.5 meters square. And it is also clear from the diagram that Kavita divides her diagram into triangular shape, and second one is in the shape of a square. So first we find out area of square and then we will find out area of triangle. After adding both the figure, we have the area of pentagon. Value is the same as Kavita's figure. Last question is, diagram of adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 cm by 28 cm and inner dimension 16 cm by 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of the each section is same. As it is clear from the diagram that each section of the frame is a trapezium shaped, so we can easily calculate area of each region by calculating area of trapezium.